I'm working on my manual 5-speed transmission now. First time I've worked on one of these. Getting it cleaned up. I just loosened the bolts so that I could take this bell housing or clutch housing off. Notice, looking from the front here, the bolt here and the next bolt up right there. These two are longer than all the rest of them. All the rest of them, you pull them out, and you can see they're a little shorter. All the bolts are the same except these two. My bottom left and the next one up are a little bit long. Okay, I have it propped up on some blocks here. All those bolts are out, so there we go. That needs to be cleaned. And now I can clean that up. It has these little alignment pins on it. There's one here on the top and down here on that side. Alright, clutch housing is all off and cleaned up. The next thing I'm going to do is take off this gear shift lever case. I had to put the camera down and use two hands to pull this off here. I see a little bit of metal shaving in there. It doesn't look too bad. Yeah, it looks pretty clean. I have the shift lever case locked in my vise so I can take these 4 screws out of that cover plate. You need a impact wrench to get them loose. I think they have Loctite on them. There, we got them. And this thing's glued on, and there, I got it. Oh, that's a little messy. Here, have a look. Some gooey gobs in there. I'm glad I took that apart. Definitely need to clean that out. The other side over there looks pretty good, but this side is super gunky. These are the select return spring bolts, so I'm going to try to take those out next. Use my air wrench on this. One. This little part just fell out. It slides down in the middle right here. I think it goes on the other side of that. I'll just set it aside for now. Not quite a real good fit. I'm not sure what size. I think it's a 22. I don't have a 22, so I'm using a 7/8. It's out of here. And on that side. That one. And then they have a spring. It's very dirty. Push that out. I'm trying to do it with one hand and hold the camera with the other hand. There it goes. There, we got it. Next thing, I'm gonna take out this little stopper bolt here. Ow! Very tight. There, we got it. The pins are too much hassle. I don't really need to take them out. I just need to clean this, so I think I have enough space in here to get that cleaned out. And plus, if you take the pins out, these parts don't slide apart. They're pressed tight on there.